Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Step 1. Mix together equal parts flour and water in a small bowl. You can start with about a quarter cup of each. Stir well. Water activates the enzyme amylase, which breaks down starch into simple sugars that the yeast and bacteria can eat.
Take our lead.
Bread that doesn't use yeast or a starter to leaven usually uses baking soda, baking powder, or both to rise. While biscuits and pancakes technically fall into this category, the easiest kind of bread to make without yeast is soda bread.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Besides brewer-s yeast, homemakers in the 19th century used specially brewed ferments to make yeast. The basis for most of these ferments was a mash of grain, flour or boiled potatoes. Hops were often included to prevent sourness. Salt-rising bread was made from a starter of milk, cornmeal and, sometimes, potatoes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Dissolve 1 teaspoon sugar in 1/2 cup 110 degrees Fahrenheit to 115 degrees Fahrenheit water. Add up to 3 packets of yeast, depending on your recipe, to the sugar solution. Stir in yeast until completely dissolved. Let mixture stand until yeast begins to foam vigorously, 5 to 10 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.